Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing a tutorial with the Maybelline Burgundy Bar Palette. First I will be using the Makeup Forever One Step Hydrating Primer. For foundation today I will be using the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow Foundation. For concealer, I'll be using my Tarte Shape Tape. I will also be using my Rimmel powder today.
Here we go.
I will be doing my brows off camera today, but I will be using the Goof Proof Brow Pencil from Benefit. Now I'm just going to go in with the Maybelline palette and use a taupe shade in my crease. Using this matte brown shade, I will be taking that in the corner and also in the crease. With this warm purple shade, I'm going to put that on the outer corner as well. Now with the burgundy shade, I will be applying that in the center of the lid, and I do drag it down towards the inner corner. Now taking the purple shade, I'm going to put that over the burgundy. I felt like the burgundy was a bit too strong and I just wanted to soften it down a little bit. With this champagne colour and the white shimmer, I will be taking that in the inner corners. Now I'm going to go in with that matte brown shade again and put that underneath my eye, as well as the burgundy shade, and I kind of mix the two together. I used the white and the champagne colour again for a highlight today, just to show that you don't have to just use it for eyeshadow. I will be using the Great Lash Maybelline mascara. I will be using the matte liquid lipstick from Jeffree Star, and the shade is Celebrity Skin. I don't know how, but I nearly forgot to contour, so I'm using the Shade and Light Kat Von D palette. And that's the completed look, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a comment down below, like the video, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next one.